Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove an Alfa Romeo Giulietta door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a plastic trim removal kit and a suitable screwdriver. Begin by gently prying up the window switch panel. Use a trim tool to avoid scratching the plastic. Once the panel is loose, disconnect the electrical connectors. Then, you can access and remove any screws hidden underneath. Next, focus on the interior door handle. There's usually a small plastic cover or cap that needs to be carefully popped off. Beneath this cover, you'll find another screw that secures the door panel. Remove this screw. Take your time and be gentle to prevent any damage to the trim pieces. Also, feel along the bottom and sides of the door panel for any other hidden fasteners. Now, with all the screws removed, it's time to release the panel clips. Starting from the bottom edge, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry the panel away from the door frame. You'll hear the clips pop as they release. Work your way around the entire perimeter. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel upwards to clear the window seal. Finally, disconnect any last electrical connections or door cables. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps. First, reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable. Carefully align the door panel with the window channel and the clip locations. Press firmly around the edges until all the clips snap back into place securely. Don't forget to replace all screws and trim pieces. For a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your newly accessible door components.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.